Good day, everyone. My name is Brittany B. Baino, and I am the reporter of the lesson 28, which is the conductors of heat and electricity. So, when you peel off the coating of an electrical wire, you will see copper wires inside. So, copper wire is the most widely used materials for connecting electrical devices. Why do you think so? Why? So, copper wires are most widely used for electrical wiring. It is because they are ductile or they are flexible, and they are also good for or good conductors of electricity. So, kanang wires nga ginagamit nato sa balay. Kanang wire sa suga. I-open na ninyo, 'di ba? Ang makita ninyo sa sulod ana is a kind of metal which is called copper. So sa kitchen, when you check your pots and pans in your kitchen, you will see that most of them stainless steel are made up of aluminum. So, why are they suited for cooking utensils? Do you know why? It is because these materials are great for cooking. Dili siya mataya, making it safe and long-lasting. It also heats up quickly, which saves time and energy while cooking. So, steel and aluminum are good conductors of both heat and electricity. Kaya kini siya, dili siya dali matayat. It is good for cooking kay it is made up of chromium. Naa siya chromium. Mao ni siya ang reason nga nung dili siya mataya. Let's proceed to the main topic of this lesson, which is the conductors. So conductors are the materials that allow electricity and heat to flow freely through them, allowing electricity and heat to be transferred from the source through them. And our best conductor is metals. So metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Copper and aluminum are also metals and are good conductors to use. Also iron, gold, silver, brass, steel, copper, and nickel are also good conductors of heat and electricity because they are all made up of metals, and metals are good conductors of electricity. So, not all materials are good conductors of heat and electricity, and these materials are called insulators. So, insulators are the materials that are non-conductors that do not allow heat and electricity to pass through them. So, insulator just prevent the electricity or heat to flow. One of its example is sa ice candy. Di ba ginabutang na siya sa ice bucket? So, katong ice bucket is the insulator. Ginapugnan niya nga mosulod ang heat para dili madali og tunaw ang ice candy sa sulod. So, that's all everyone for today. Thank you.